Hey, today I want to talk about your home insurance coverage. As we know, with all the current events, with the flooding in Asheville, North Carolina, and surrounding areas, and also with the fires in California, home insurance has become such a big topic. And I will tell you that so many people, me included, in the past, used to just pay your bill when it came due, and that was that. And you're like, okay, I'm covered. Things have changed dramatically. And when you get your insurance policy from, it comes when you go to pay again, look at it. I have a list of things that are not covered that most people are not aware of, and things that you need to obtain an additional policy for. All kinds of things that you can get additional perils excluded under the personal property coverage, as well as rather things from your comprehensive coverage. And also the thing you need to look at is, are you being paid, if there is a situation, on replacement cost for your insurance? Now, this stuff, it's boring. Reading your insurance policy, I always say, is the cure for insomnia. But if you ever have a situation, you'll be so happy you understand and have talked with your agent, and you're assured that you have the coverage that you believe that you have. I know someone who their house caught fire. They thought they had coverage. They did, but they didn't have replacement cost. So we all know also with COVID how much prices have escalated, and they received a pittance of what it really cost to rebuild. They also did not have replacement cost insurance on their furnishings. And so once again, their furnishings cost them so much more out of pocket. Please take the time, pull it out, call your insurance agent, go over it, make sure you're covered. Hopefully you'll never need to use it. That is my hope for everyone. But when and if you ever do need to use it, you'll be so happy that you understood your coverage and that you had the correct coverage to be able to protect you or protect you and your family. So go do it, grab a cup of coffee, something fun, and sit down and read it page by page. Highlight it on the things that you're not sure of, or the things where you feel like you might need additional coverage. Go do it, get a hold of your agent, get yourself covered. Please subscribe if this has been of use to you. Also share this. Share this with any friends or family that you feel may not be dealing with or looking at what their proper coverage should be. All right, thanks. Have a great day.